And we have an outstanding co-host here today with me, none other than Rafael Testai. Rafael, welcome. If you guys don't know, Rafael's a terrific SolidWorks content creator. He puts out a lot of excellent work. I especially enjoy your series on kind of deciphering how common mechanisms work. I really enjoy watching you kind of take these things apart, showing them in SolidWorks, and you just explain it quickly. You have long format videos, you have short format videos, you got something there for everyone. And beyond that, Rafael also is a podcast host. So if I know there's actually a few people on the call today who've done some podcasts, and I just think overall you're an excellent storyteller and explainer. So thank you so much, guys. Make sure you follow Rafael on LinkedIn. His podcast is called Being an Engineer, and thank you for being here today, Rafael. Wow. Guys, give it up. Moving on to the final four.
That little cat's funny.
That is the victory cat. How about you, Rafael? Any differences you can think of?
Well, now we got the camera on, so in the podcast, the camera is not on. So I just want to make sure I don't make any weird faces on the live stream.
Yeah.
So that's the only difference, really.
Yeah, the trick is whenever you're on camera and you're on a live stream, you just got to smile the whole time. I think we're ready. Rafael, you feeling good?
Feeling good.
I'm feeling
ready
good,
to learn
man.
some more.
This is going to be a very, very close match.
It's coming out to the wire.
Yeah.
Start to forget.
I'm sorry for
yeah,
interrupting you.
Yeah, no, look at that.
Andrew Lowe just got rid of those front faces with a move face.
Yeah.
He started out doing delete face and saw it wasn't going to work and then did it with move face. Ivan, do you know you could do that?